Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to actually show you how you can calculate the area of a piece of land. It could be your plot by using your mobile phone. So for starters, we're going to go to Play Store. You open your Play Store. Then you search for a GPS area field measure. Since I had already searched for it, it's already there. So you just put it there and they will probably bring it for you. Here is the application. So you install it. Since I have already installed it, I'm going to just open it. So for starters, there will come a pop-up telling you to allow it to actually access your location. So location is so essential when you're going to take any measurement here. So you have to make sure that you zoom in and you're pretty sure that that's your piece of land. For instance, this is our piece of land. So I'm going to actually go to settings first. Then it depends on what units you want to use. We are going to use square meters and kilometers squared. So this is it. So you make sure that you zoom in very well to your piece of land. Make sure you zoom in very well and be assured where you are that that is really your piece of land. So for instance, we are going to use this as our piece of land. As you can see, make sure that you zoom in very well so that you don't make errors. So I'll click on the plus button. You realize that we have distance, area, and locational. So I'm going to measure our area. I'll go with manual measurement because I'm not in the field right now. If I was in the field, I would use GPS measurement so that I can rotate or I can go through around my piece of land with my GPS measurement on. So it will make measurements automatically. But for this case, I'm going to use manual since I'm in my room and I'm at my place. So actually, it's better to use manual. And so to proceed, as I told you, make sure that you zoom in very well. So here is don't miss any corner. Make sure you don't miss any corner. So here is plot. Here is plot. Continue. So since I already know how big my plot is or where it actually stops, so I can use manual. As you can see, make sure you zoom in. Make sure you don't encroach on someone's land for accurate measurements. So here is our measurements. As you can see, we have the perimeter and we have our area, as you can see. So I'm going to save our project. You can give it a name, or maybe it's your plot number 1. A description, maybe you can give it a location where your plot is actually located. I can say maybe Mutungo. So I will save my project. My edits and measurements are saved. As you can see, this is our piece of land, as I have already told you. So we already know the area. So that is it. You can actually measure your piece of land at home, from home. This is basically important when you're doing a reconnaissance. If you're not a surveyor, a reconnaissance is actually something that an activity that you carry out before going to the actual field. So for this case, I've decided to use this application to do my own reconnaissance to roughly estimate the area of my piece of land that I'm going to carry out a survey on. So this is it for now, and I have saved my edits. As you can see, saved measures. Here is our measurements. We have our area, we have our perimeter. And if you're new, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.